Yeah, it's kaden. And this song was to the people who want to copyright a lot of stuff. Hey, wouldn't you ever quit copywriting? Cause it's getting annoying. No one ever freaking likes to quit with the copyright. Cause they know we about to put you up in no place during the night. If you ever copyright, it's gonna go so bad. Don't tell anyone I said that. But anyway, there's also goes to the bathroom when you wanna do that, do the TikTok noise. Unless someone's trying to go into the copyright, doesn't matter what you want. What the hell does it mean? You should ever wanna go and try to mute the sound. And if they're not copying it, then do not mute it. If they're not doing any stuff that we're talking about, do not mute it. Let's swing with the copyright, cause it's getting annoying. Quit saying the sound is not available, because you should know it is. If you ever going back, you know my songs are better, that's why you try to copyright. Ha 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 ha. But you know that's why I'ma go down. If you ever wanna go, cause I'm about to go, I'm trying to show it. Doesn't matter what you say, I'm about to keep it. If you ever wanna see it, then you know I'm about to go when you wanna see, cause you know I'm about to go with me. The one who's about to get you. If you ever wanna go try to copyright me, then you might wanna go try to hurt you, not a zombie. But you might wanna quit trying to mute my sound, quit trying to copyright, quit trying to go and age restrict stuff.